Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to give you a quick heads up about the first essay that we're going to be doing in class. It's going to be just one to get our feet wet. It's very simple. It's just a 5-paragraph essay, and it actually is about you. So it doesn't have to be any research. It's just pulling from your own personal examples and experience. So again, it's going to be 5-paragraph, and it's going to be talking about what you believe. So this essay is called This I Believe, and throughout your own experiences, you have come to some conclusions. You have come to some determinations of how you want to live the rest of your life based on the experiences that you've had. So there are examples for you to take a look at. The topics or the themes are here, and then you can go from there. There's a million to choose from. So when you do the discussion board, you'll be able to get an idea of what other ones are like, and then that will help you understand what you might want to be writing about. My favorites are here if you feel like checking those out. But we will be following the writing process, brainstorming, working thesis, first draft, peer workshop, second draft, revising, editing, and polishing. And one person's annotations that I just read, I don't know, about a half an hour ago, they had said, I revised, but I don't know that I'm making this essay any better at all. But you know what? That's where I come in, and I teach you what to look for and how to revise. And just have faith. You'll be revising and it will be better. I promise. So anyways, I hope this is helpful and hope you guys have a great day.